providing greater confidence while interacting with your trader partners, improvement the confidence in your customer, and protecting your organization reputation, and moreover addressing the legal and civil regulations. Like that, we have 12 benefits we are going to cover in this video as a part of importance of information security governance. Have a look. Hello team, welcome to the another session of a Learn by Elam, where we are covering Isaca CISM Review Manual 15th edition book, and as a part of a section 1, chapter number 1, information security governance, we have already covered this task statement, knowledge statements, and as a part of a section 2 of the same chapter number 1, information security governance, we have already covered 1.0 introduction, and we have already covered 1.1 information security governance overview. Okay, you can find all the links in the description if you want to see those videos. Okay, now today we are going to cover 1.1.1 importance of information security governance. All right, so in this video we are just covering the importance of information security governance. All right. Okay, so let me write the chapter name. So we are covering CISM chapter 1, and that is information security governance. All right, now we are covering 1.1.1 as per Isaca CISM 15th edition book, and the topic name is importance. We are covering the importance of what? Importance of information security governance. Now, friends, as a part of any organization or from any organization prospect view, information security governance is increasingly very critical. Okay, critical. Why critical? Because there are so many dependencies of any information that is going to be very critical in terms of the survival of that organization. So nowadays the information is very critical for any organization because there are so many dependencies pertaining to that information, and that's definitely going to impact more or less the survival of any organization. And for the most organization, if I'm saying that these are some organization, most organization, there are two things we need to take care. One is the information, and the second thing is knowledge based on it, and is very important asset. We are considering this as an asset. Why? Because conducting business without it is not possible. Conducting business without information and knowledge base is not possible. All right, now the reliance on security governance, a critical fact of overall enterprise governance. So we should also rely on those information security, and that's going to be very critical as well. And in addition, addressing of what? Addressing of legal and regulatory requirement is also going to be very effective if we have a proper information security governance. And of course, the prudent management understand that it provides a series of significant benefit. In case we have a good information or correct information or accurate information. All right. So this is what we have just covered as a part of a little information of the importance of the information security governance. Now let's see the benefits of having the information security governance. All right. So now we are covering benefits. Let me just write the. What are the benefits to having correct information or correct information security governance process? Number one is addressing of what? Addressing the increasingly potential of civil or legal liabilities Okay, so we are increasing the civil or legal liabilities to the organization and senior management. Okay, and as a result, information inaccuracy or absence of due care in it, protection or inadequate regularly compliance. So that's going to be very important. All right. So in the absence of, let's say, due care or information inaccuracy, protection or inadequate regulatory compliance. So in this case, if you are having the correct information, then it's definitely going to help and it will increase the potential of civil and legal liabilities. All right, there's the first benefit. Now number two, this one. Number two, that is providing what? Assurance of policy compliance. Okay, so that's number one. So by having the accurate information, you are ensuring that all the policies are compliance. That's number one. This is basically third. It's basically increasingly, it's going to be increase what? Prediction. You are going to be increase the predictability and reducing uncertainty of business. Okay, so this the next benefit will be, now you are able to do the prediction more accurately. That's one of the important point, because based on that your business is definitely going to grow, and also on the same time you are reducing the uncertainty of the business, and that too by lowering risk. Lowering risk. Okay, and lowering how you are going to lower the risk? By two ways. One is you define the risk. Okay, so once you have knowledge, once you have information, then only you are able to make the definable risk, and then based on that you can identify the acceptable level of the risk. Okay, so this is, now you can see, you can understand the importance of the information. Okay, next point is providing the structure and framework. It will provide the structure and framework of what? To optimize what? Allocation of limited security resources. Okay, so it will provide the structure or a framework where you can understand, where you can optimize, where you can minimize or maximize the allocation of limited security resources. All right, so you are just helping the organization in terms of different resources limitation as well. Next, what? Next is providing the level of assurance. Assurance of what? Assurance of that critical decision are not based on faulty information. Okay, so it will take care of the faulty information as well, that no decision will be made on incorrect or faulty information. That's next. Next, what? Next is providing a firm foundation. Okay, friends, these are some of the key points you need to understand. You need to just make sure that these things will be in your mind when you are giving the exam. Okay, so it will also provide the firm foundation for what? For efficient and effective risk management. That's number one. Number two, process improvement. Okay, so this will not only provide the efficient, the firm foundation not only provide the efficient and effective risk management system, but also provide process improvement and rapid response or rapid incident response system and continuity management. Okay, so these are the three things which, as a part of a firm foundation, correct information security or correct information security governance provide. All right, so this is how many? Okay, 1 2 3 4. Now this is 5, this is 6. Okay, now the next point is it will provide greater confidence. Of course, it will provide the greater confidence of what? In interaction with trading partners. Okay, so once you have all the clauses, once you have all the policies, procedure in place, you know what to do and how to do and what will be the consequences and how we are going to deal with it. The legal and regulatory part. Okay, so that is something, once you have those information, then definitely it's going to be give you the greater confidence. Okay, that's number 7. And the most important, what I believe, is number 8. Then that is it improve Improve what? Improve the trust in customer relationship. So that's most important. Okay, once customer trust on you, then your business will grow like anything. Okay, so that's number 8. The number 9, protecting the, this is also one of the key benefit. Protecting what? Organization's reputation. Sometimes we just go by brand only. All right. So if we know that certain brands are very reputed, then we definitely going to buy the product from that organization, from that brand only, whatever the price it is. Okay, because there is a trust associated with that. Okay, there is a reputation associated with that brand. So is going to be protect the organization reputation. And the next point, which is number 10, is enabling what? Enabling new and better way to process electronic transition. To process electronic transactions. Okay, so once you have that much information, definitely it's going to help you to do any electronic transitions as well. I'm sure, friends, there are many more other benefits, but I'm just covering those benefits which were mentioned in this book. Okay, all right. And next is providing accountability. Accountability for safeguard. For safeguarding information when during critical business activity. Okay. For example, if you are doing any big transition, if you are selling any big products, then you should know how to safeguard those information in terms of your customer personal information, personal data, and any big transition, as I said. So once you have that much information, you are definitely going to safeguard those information for any kind of mishap or any kind of leakage. And critical business activity such as mergers and acquisitions. So here, if in case company is going to merge with some company or some acquisition happens, then there will be an accountability. We know how to safeguard that critical information so that there will not be any kind of a confusion in future for any of the organization in any way, in terms of a financial, in terms of reputation, in terms of a third party transitions, in terms of a third party confidence, in terms of organization reputation and all. So this is going to be very crucial and you need to safeguard those things. And last one is effective management of information security resources. That's the last part. So basically, once you have the correct information, then once you have information security governance in place, then it will definitely help you for the effective management of information security resources as well. So in summary, if I say SUMMARY, so in summary, in crux, we can say that because new information technology provide the potential for dramatically enhanced business performance, effective information security can add significant value to the organization by reducing losses from security related events. That's number one. And also provide assurance of what? That security incident and breaches are not catastrophic. Okay, we are able to handle any type of security breaches and is not going to be catastrophic and is not going to be circulated, is not going to affect any other existing procedure, organization, or any other vertical in any term. Okay, and in addition, evidence, there are many evidence that suggests that improving perception in the market, this is what I just mentioned earlier, in the market, I mean, is giving the confidence, organization reputation, and is increasing the perception of the market. That has resulted in the increasing of share value. So your organization's value is definitely going to be increased, followed by organization reputation and financial position, and so many things going to be benefited. So it's always good if we have the correct information security governance, with correct information, with correct knowledge.
So how's the video, friends? Hope you are liking the video. Please do let me know if in case you require any further details on any topic or any point you want me to explain further. Last but not the least, please do share, do comment and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Okay, that is something which makes me motivated. Do like, comment, share and be in touch. Enjoy. Bye bye, take care.